I'm going to do a radish went into a bar cocktail. And the reason for this is that first I got quite a lot of radishes, and also I found that the Villeneuve cocktail, which I made a couple of weeks ago, was nicer than I thought. So, and that had radish in. I pretended it was horrible, but actually it really wasn't too bad. So this is a rather rare cocktail with a secret recipe and a secret ingredient. Kick off, I'm going to do two, one for my photographer. Kick off with 2 good measures of gin. There we go, a little bit for luck. That's it. Then we have a sweet vermouth. I should have a red one really, but I don't seem to have that. So we'll have a sweet Bianco, and we'll have a bit more than half of that. Okay, and now the secret ingredients, and this is, I forgot the name of it, a radish gastrique, and I've made another video of how to make this, but essentially it's a sweet and sour sauce with grated radish in its secret recipe. And we're going to have half a measure of that, but I don't want too much of the solid, a little bit more perhaps. There we go. It seems to have come through all right. That goes in. And then finally we have half a measure of lemon. And I'm feeling lazy today, so we're going to use the squirting lemon. Can't be bothered. There we go. And that goes in there. And that's it, basically. We'll take a bit of ice, a couple into each coop. Give that a good stir. I think it's cold. And then we pour this. It's a nice colour, isn't it? Pour one into each glass. There's a few bits, which is a pity, but we're going to float above that. Quite a large cocktail, yes. Quite a large one. Don't know where all the bits came from. Must have been a bit of mud on the radish. But that'll be alright. Alcohol will deal with it. Now we're almost ready. But the final ingredient is a sprinkle of salt and pepper. And there it is. That's unusual, but it is rather nice.